Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we shall be looking at how to create a contact form in WordPress website. And the name of the plugin we're going to be using to create this contact form is called the Contact Form 7. This is a sample of the form that we're going to be creating. And to get started, you have to log in first to your WordPress dashboard. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. That is where we are right now. And by the left menu, you hover over the plugin and click Add New. Okay. So under the Add Plugin section, you search for Contact Form. Okay, so this is the plugin we're going to be using. It's called the Contact Form 7. You click to install and you click to activate. So we have successfully added this plugin to our WordPress website. So at the left menu, you can see we are searching for the contact. Okay, here you can see the contact at the left menu. Here is where we have the contact form plugin settings. So you click on contact form here. As you can see, we already have a form there, a ready-made form that you can put on your website. So let's click and check the details. Okay, we have a ready-made form here with name, email, subject, and the message. So if this is all that you need, you can go ahead and copy the shortcode here and paste it on your post or page. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be looking more deeper than this. We're going to be creating more form fields. So we have 4 here already. We have the name, email, subject, and the message. So we're going to leave this default and add more form fields. There are different kinds of forms, and depending on the kind of form you want, depend on the type of form field that you're going to be adding. So let's go ahead and copy this short code and paste it on our web page and see how it looks. So I'm going to name this page Contact and paste the short code for the form here and click Publish. The page is saved, so let's click and see what the form looks like. Here, this is the form. We have the name, we have the email, the subject, and the message. Okay, and now let's assume we need more form fields. For example, like the phone number, the company name, the website URL, the reason for contact, and the preferred contact method. We need more form field to add to this form. So all we have to do is to go back to our contact form backend and add these new fields. So the first field we have here, we're going to add the phone number. We have the name here, the email. So the next should be the phone number. I'm going to copy this email and paste it here. Then select this section and delete it. And this is the form tag for phone. I'm gonna click it. This field expired the submitter telephone number. So we can leave the settings the way they are and click insert. I'm gonna change this text to phone. So the next is to have the company name. So let me select this and paste it here and rename it to company name. So it's a text field. This is the text field. It's a text field, and this star here is for mandatory. Let me add it here. Having this here means that the field is mandatory for you to be filled. So I'm going to change this to company name. So let's check. We have the website URL. Let me copy this and repaste it here and rename it as the website URL. So this one is not compulsory. I'm going to remove the star. Web URL. Oh, this is not necessary. Let me remove it. Okay, what's the next? Reason for contact. Reason for contact. So let me copy this and paste it here. And I'm going to name this reason for contact. So here we are not using the text field. Reason for contact, I want to use the drop down. So I'm going to claim this and add a drop down item. You can leave this or you can as well change it depending on your reference. So I'm going to name it reason for contact. And here we have support, sales, feedback, and others. So it's going to be one item per line. Support, feedback, sales, and others. Okay, so the next step is to click insert. So you can see it here right now. So the next item is the preferred contact method. So I'm going to copy the same and paste it here, and I'm going to clean this up. Here we use the drop down. We can as well use the drop down for the reason for contact and have options for selecting the phone, email, and WhatsApp. But for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to use other. Let's try the checkbox. Okay, so you put the cursor here and you select the checkbox. Now you can name this contact method. Contact method, no space, and one item per line, phone, email, WhatsApp. You click insert, then we can go ahead and save what we have done so far. So let's refresh this contact form and see the new changes we have made. So right now you can see that we have more fields. We have more fields like for the phone, the company name, the URL, the support, the phone, email, WhatsApp. Okay, so we still have more. We have more items like the date, the acceptance, the radio box that we have not used. So let's go ahead and use the date. For example, we can just copy this and paste it here. You can name this event date, and I'm going to clean this text and click on date. Okay, before that, the cursor has to be here. The cursor has to be here. Then you can go to date. You can leave all the settings the way they are as default. Then you click insert and you have the date. Okay, we haven't done the radio button. Let's try that as well. Let me copy the reason for contact. And let me use this as a question like question like gender. And I'm going to clean this because here we need a radio button. Okay. So the answer is going to be yes or no. Each answer on a separate line. So we have that now. So let me save the form. And let's refresh. So we have more fields added. This is the newly added date, and this is the gender. Okay, I'm supposed to put either male or female. So that's how to create it. So after you have generated your form tag, the next thing is to go to mail here. As you can see, we have, this is our form tag. So you're going to click, select and copy all these tags. You can go ahead and delete all these and put these new tags here and separate them one tag per line. So under name, we put name, colon, email, phone, company name, website, reason for contact, method of contact, gender, subject, and we have the date and message. Under subject, depending on what you want to put there, you can go ahead and clean this and name it contact form. Then you put you can leave this is the default email for the website, the admin email. And this is where the form will be submitted to. This is the email that will receive the notification of this form. And when you are done, you can go ahead and click Save to save the changes that you have made. So right now the form is ready. It's ready to be used. So when these informations are filled and submit, they go directly to the email address that is entered here. You can go ahead and claim this one and put your email. And save the changes. So when the form is submitted successfully, you're going to get this message saying thank you. Your message has been sent. So let's go ahead and fill the form and submit. As you can see, I have successfully filled this form. And the next thing is to click on Submit. There's an arrow here. Please enter a phone number. And I'll go ahead and click Submit. You can see it says thank you for your message. It has been sent. So that is it on how to create a contact form and embed it on your website and to submit to the email address that you added for notification. And thank you for watching.